And I've had reporters calling me all day.
Okay.
A couple taxpayers are mad that I hid this guy in the jury room. I didn't do anything that they're saying.
Tonight, for the first time, Milwaukee County Judge Hannah Dugan in her own words. This newly released body camera video showing Dugan talking about an incident in her courtroom that days later would get her arrested. Good evening. Thanks so much for joining us on this Friday night. I'm Jessup Reisbeck. Natalie Shepard has the night off. The timeline of Judge Dugan's case starts on April 18th. That morning, Judge Dugan confronted federal agents waiting outside her courtroom to make an immigration arrest. Those agents had a warrant for this man, Eduardo Flores Ruiz, who was in Dugan's courtroom facing battery charges. But before he could be arrested, Dugan allegedly led him out of the courtroom through a private hallway. Exactly 1 week later, she was arrested by the FBI on obstruction charges. Now that brings us to this body camera video recorded in the days between the first incident and her arrest. To break down what's in this video, we're joined now in studio by Adam Reif. Adam.
Well, Jessup, this is the first time we've heard Judge Dugan address that incident. She told officers the allegations that she helped an undocumented immigrant flee from authorities were all lies.
Judge Hannah Dugan, okay, and I think that might be relevant to this thing.
Milwaukee County Judge Hannah Dugan called Milwaukee Police to her home April 22nd because someone had left threatening materials there.
I'm a little concerned about the wackos.
Nearby security cameras showed this is the man who did it.
The second pages are about knives and knife statues.
While talking with police, Dugan soon discussed the courthouse incident that had happened a few days earlier.
I did not hide this migrant in the jury room or in my chambers.
Eduardo Flores Ruiz was to appear in Dugan's courtroom April 18th for a battery case. Plainclothes ICE agents believed he was an undocumented immigrant and waited in the hallway to arrest him. Dugan had the agents leave the hallway to speak with the chief judge. Moments later, Flores Ruiz and his attorney left the courtroom through a back door. Another agent followed them out of the building. Flores Ruiz ran. They chased him and arrested him.
A couple taxpayers are mad that I hid this guy in the jury room. I didn't do anything that they're saying.
But 1 week later, Dugan was arrested by the FBI and charged with helping Flores Ruiz evade the federal agents.
I had him leave out the back door, which I do when the circumstances warrant it. And these are the circumstances that warrant it. I had a room of 30 people, and I just sent them out the back door.
And Dugan also claimed she did not know Flores Ruiz's immigration status at the time.
I don't know if he's an illegal immigrant, which is what they're claiming. I'm not supposed to know that. When they come in front of me, I'm not supposed to know that.
Before leaving, the officers took Dugan's information and created an incident report.
We live in very difficult times, you all know that.
Judge Dugan's federal trial has been delayed as her legal team tries to have the charges dismissed. And Jessup, the judge in that case has not yet set a date for the next hearing.
Adam Reif live in studio tonight. Thank you. And as for Flores Ruiz, he's already pled guilty in his immigration case and is set to be deported. He has another hearing in that case next month, but he's also set to go to trial in his Milwaukee County battery case in October. Now, right now, it's not clear how his pending deportation will impact that trial. We, of course, will continue to follow both his case and Judge Dugan's case, and you can stay up to date on all of it and catch up on our previous coverage on our website, CBS58.com.